welcome to another lecture series for Gauteng Prelim 2016 paper 1. Today we'll be doing question 11, subsection 11. I like to call it subsection 11, which is question 11. Question 11, let us just go through the problem statement, which says that a survey of 80 participants at the 2016 Olympic Games was taken. Athletes' participation was recorded as follows. Okay, so they say they had 44 participated in swimming. Okay, so it's just too much, né? So I'll just say swimming is S. And then 33 participated in gymnastics, and then 39 participated in athletics. And they say that 23 participated in swimming and athletics, and they said that 19 participated in gymnastics and athletics, and then they say that 9 participated in all. Okay, in all. So I'll just say it's SGA. Okay, so they participated in all. And then they said 69 participated in at least one. Okay, so we just say one, at least one. And then they say that 11 remained reserves, did not participate. So 11 did not participate. Okay, so they do not fall anywhere in this thing. So the first question says that let the number of participants in both swimming and gymnastics but not in athletics be represented by X. It's very nice. Draw a Venn diagram to represent the survey. So wow, this is a beautiful question actually. This is a much beautiful question. Okay, so let's just do 11.1. I like to use a different pen. So we've got the sample space. Got a sample space here. Okay. And then we do have swimming. We do have gymnastics. Okay, they look too close for my liking. So we're gonna have swimming. Let me make it bigger. Gymnastics and athletics. Okay, and they said to us, this one is smaller. This one is smaller. So let me just do it again. Let me just. This is for the last time, guys. I'm doing this. This is a sample space. Okay, and then we do have that one, swimming. Let's say that one is gymnastics and this one is athletics. Okay, now they look much bigger now. Okay, so this is the sample space, and this represents swimming, this represents gymnastics, and this represents athletics. So they said to you that the number of participants that took swimming and gymnastics, let them be represented by X. So which means this is our X. Okay, now this here is 9 because this is all of the people which participated in all 3 of these things. This is 9. Okay, so we need to find these other values. Okay, so we need to find these other values. So let us find how many people did athletics. Okay, so the number of people that did athletics, we are going to say now it's going to be 39 of those people, they did athletics, and then we need to include these 9 people. Okay, but now there are these people which did athletics and swimming and gymnastics. Together they were going with athletics. So 23 of them did swimming and athletics, so which means they fall in both swimming and athletics. So we're gonna subtract it, and then 19 of them fall in gymnastics and athletics. So we're gonna have minus 19. So what is the value that we find there? So these are the people which are doing athletics. Okay, so it's going to be 39 plus all the people which took part in those things minus 23 minus 19. So that's 6. So only 6 people did athletics alone. Okay, so let us find the ones that did swimming and athletics. Okay, so let us find people which did swimming and athletics, or we can find those ones that did athletic and gymnastics alone. Okay, so that is just going to be 19 people because they did gymnastics and athletics, and then there's these ones that did all of them, so we subtract that, so there should be 10. Okay, and then let us find these ones which did swimming and athletics. So the ones that did swimming and athletics, they are going to be swimming and athletics, or it's this one. Okay, it's 33. It's 33, not 23. So okay, so I want to find the ones which did, yes, now it makes sense. So we want to find the ones that did this and that. Okay, so let me see how I can find that one. Let me try and see how I can find that one. Okay, swimming and that one. Okay, so what I can do is, because I've got these ones which participated in gymnastics, so I can say now I can have 33 minus 19, which is this one, minus that one, meaning that now I'm having the people which did gymnastics and the people which did gymnastics and athletics. So the answer that I'm going to have there is 14, so which will give me swimming and athletics, because I do not care what happens to gymnastics. So that's why I'm saying gymnastics minus gymnastics and athletics. Okay, gymnastics. Guys, these things, the English is running away. Okay, so we need to find these two now. Okay, so gymnastics, the ones that did gymnastics alone. Okay, so you remember how we did these ones. Okay, so I'm going to check for the ones that did gymnastics alone. Okay, so the ones that did gymnastics alone is going to be so is gymnastics. So let me put the 11 outside here. Okay, sorry about that, I forgot about those who did not participate. Okay, so I'm gonna come to this one. Let me find those ones that did swimming alone. So it's going to be this. Okay, so it should be this. Okay, let me see. Okay, minus. Okay, so what we're going to get is the people which did swimming is just going to be 44 minus 23, because they did swimming and athletics, so it becomes 21. But this is not the exact number, because we still got this x which we don't know, so we're gonna have 21 minus x. Okay, because it's those ones we did swimming and gymnastics. So now we need to find the ones that did gymnastics alone, so you're gonna have this minus that. Okay, so 39, which is 33, which is gymnastics, minus gymnastics and athletics, which is 14. But it's not only 14, we need to subtract that x value. Okay, so this is how we do it. So that is very long, guys. Okay, that is very, very long. Now the second question says that hence show that x is equals to 5. Okay, show that x is equals to 5. 11.2. So if we want to show that this is 5, we need to add everything and make it equals to 80, because they said 80 participants. So you're gonna have 21 minus x plus 14 minus x plus 9 plus 14 plus 10 plus 6 plus 11. This should be equals to 80. You see that, right? Is this, that. Yeah. So as you can see, this and that, we can just take them out. So I'm gonna have 21 plus 14 plus 9 plus 14 plus 10 plus 6 plus 11. That gives me 85. So this side just becomes 85, and there's this x minus x is equals to 80. So 85 minus 80 is equals to x, and then 5 is equals to x. Then we have proven that. Okay, so now they say that what is the probability that the participant chosen at random will participate in at least 2 of the 3 events? Wow, this is a nice question. I love such questions. 11.3. So we need to find the probability that 3 events. Okay, now if you want to find that probability, we only consider the ones that makes union to our sports. Okay, meaning that the probability of doing at least 2 sports, okay, participating in 2 sports, will be given by x, which is 5 plus 10 plus 14 plus 9, and we divide this by 80 because that's the whole number of people that we have there. So these are the ones which do union in between 2 sports or 3 sports. It's 14, it's 5, it's 9, it's 10. Okay, so we're gonna have 5 plus 10 plus 14 plus 9 all over 80, and this will give me 0.475, which is 0.475. Okay, so because this was long due to drawing the Venn diagram, let me just leave the session here, and then we'll do the last session for prelim 2016 paper 1, and then we'll be doing paper 2 from then. Guys, if you don't understand anything here, guys, please do not mind sending a comment in the comment section below. For now, thank you very much. Enjoy the rest of your day, evening, morning, whatever time you're watching this video. Thank you for your support. Thank you.